Okay, welcome to another analytical geometry equation. In this one, we are saying determine the new equation if the origin is translated to the new or to the given point. So this is the equation, but we look at B, we don't have a point. So there's a reason why we don't have a point at B, and I'll explain why. When we look at f(x) plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0 at 1, 2, it means the center has been shifted from 0, 0 to this. All right, that's what translation means. Okay, now for A, let's go to A. A is 5x plus 4y plus what, 3 is equal to 0 at 1, 2. So in this case, since this is our new center, and we know that our center is categorized by h, k. Here I'm sure you are able to recall this. If this is the case, then we are saying we are going to let our x be equal to x prime plus what, h, and our y be equal to y prime plus what, k. So our x is equal to, our x prime will remain, our h in this case is 1, and y prime, our k in this case is what, 2. Then this we substitute back where there's x, also this we substitute back where there's y. So we are saying x prime plus 1 plus 4 y prime plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Expansion, let us expand this, we get this. I think expanding can be a little bit fast because this is just expanding. Alright, then we arrange them in order. You know the second degree equation? Yeah. So we arrange them in order. So we have 5, 8, 16, right? We have 16 equal to 0. So this is the new equation. Alright, because the question was saying determine the new equation. Then for B, and please pay particular attention for B. B has got xy minus x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. For B, because of this term here, the xy term, all right, we are going to use the same ones that we know. X is equal to x prime plus h, and y is equal to y prime plus what, k. Here we don't need the center because of this particular term. We just have to substitute this one back there. That's all. Then we are going to find h and k once we substitute. Alright, so where there's x we put x prime plus h, where there's y we put y prime plus k, minus x prime plus h plus y prime plus k minus 10 is equal to 0. X and x we get x prime, y prime. That one we get x prime, k. Then we have y prime, h. Then we have hk. Then here we've got minus that, plus this, plus k, minus 10 is equal to. I'm just expanding, ladies and gentlemen. There's nothing that I'm doing here which is complicated, right? Alright, so the best thing to do for you to know here is the substitution. Why am I substituting that? We can't have a center because there's a term xy. Remember that our aim, when you look at rotation, your aim has been trying to eliminate the xy term, the invariance, whatever you call it, right? Now, we are going to group these in a way where we take out x prime, we also take out y prime, so that we can remain with h and k. So, here where there's h, x prime and k, also go where you can have our friend here. There's x prime. Just look, sakelaje pamenepari x prime, except this one. This one, leave it. X prime is here, right? Sorry. So group them together. So get this and that, group them together, so you have x prime and k minus y that prime. Also let's also check. There's this, where's y prime alone? Here. So we also have y prime h plus y prime. Let us now factorize this. We're going to equate this to 0 and that to 0. So let's just factorize. X prime is out, so we have k minus 1 there. And here we've got y prime out, we have h plus 1 there. That means our k is 1 and our h is negative 1. Equate what is outside to 0. This is a new center, so the center is now 1 comma negative 1. That means this question, the center was 1 comma negative 1, but they didn't want you to do they didn't want to give you because of this term. Take note, this is a term which was giving us problems. Now that the center has been found, we need to replace back the value of k there and the value of what? H. Eventually, I know that these that I've underlined, they are going to give me zeros. Alright, so let me just write what I know I'm going to remain with. Okay, so x prime, y prime, I'll remain with x prime, y prime. I'm also going to remain with this, and that is 0. I'll remain with this one here, that one there, and that one. So let me write what has remained. Hk minus x, oh sorry, not minus x, minus h plus k minus 10 is equal to 0. Sinka, but I know what h and k are. It's negative 1 multiplied by 1 minus h is 1 plus negative 1 minus 10 equal to 0. So I end up having this and that. This is just negative 1 minus 1 minus 1 again minus 10 is equal to 0. I'm sure you can agree that yeah, this is negative 1. Oh yeah, should be the same one. Then k is negative 1 again. Okay, so you're supposed to have negative 1 here, not there. Here that's 9, such that okay, negative 1 plus 1. Good. So you end up having this, that, and that. These two will cancel. Alright, so you're supposed to have positive here to give us negative 9. Okay, is equal to 0. This is the equation that we needed. This is a new equation. Okay, this is a new equation. Cheers.